Hi guys, I'm going to share a little tip how to add frame to my felted bag. So I felted this bag and wet felted, and I think turned to be pretty nice. And now I'm attaching that metal frame to this thing. And the reason I just decided to do this video because I was looking for a good way to stabilize this thing and to make it even and to make it fast and easy. And I thought that maybe some of you would use my experience and my findings. So first of all, I found out that this little pins with this shape, safe pins, they work really well to hold that frame. And before I put it on, I just go and attach them around the whole thing. This is my first life hack. My other life hack, I found out that I should start from the very middle and go to that end and then start from the same spot in the middle again and go that direction. And the easiest thing to do is to take my thread. This is a special thread, like a cord, for putting together leather pieces or thick pieces. I'm using two needles. I'm putting one thread on two needles, and I'm working with two needles at the same time. So this way, it's a little bit faster, and I'm saving my time, and I don't have to make all that ends to hide any ends. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put it in the middle like that, and then it's pretty easy. I will just start sewing with one needle on that side, and I'll be coming back into the same hole, but I will be doing it from with the other needle from the other side. I'm just trying to get in the hole, and this will be my first stitch. And now I'll be going with this needle on the next hole, and this will be my second stitch. As you understand, I will be going with the other needle from the other side. I'm just changing the needles, and this is how I'll be working. My needles are pretty sharp. It's up to you. Depends on what fabric or what material you're going to use. Sometimes they're stuck a little, and I have to pull them out. But this is how you do it, and you do it right to the end. And at the end, we will have one thread coming from here, another thread coming from there. I just do little backward stitches, and then I hide them the end in the middle of the fabric itself. Okay, so maybe I'll record that in a second and continue that video, so stick around. Okay, so I finished that line, and I ended with having 2 threads on both sides. So I took the one which was coming from here and send it back here. And so now they're on that side. I made a double knot, and so now I think it's pretty stable. And what I'm going to do here, usually I go like in between, try to hide my thread in the fabric. You know, just pull it nicely. One needle, I'm done with this needle. Now with this end, I'll just go some other direction maybe, or try to make it close to the right here, right? And pull it nicely, get rid of that needle. Then I'll take my scissors and just cut them a little here, here, and eventually they will felt in. I mean, in some cases you can in some cases it's up to you. I know it doesn't look perfect. It doesn't look a professional like machine stitching, but it close enough. Okay, I think my bag is done, and I'm pretty happy. With the result. And please let me know if you have any questions, and I will be happy to answer them. Happy crafting. See you guys. Bye-bye.